Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to master Moto AI Catch Me Up feature. So, at first you need to open the settings. Now, open Moto AI. Tap Actions and tap Catch Me Up. As you can see, here I've got get a quick summary of notifications from your personal communication apps. Clear smart notifications. You can enable or disable it. And here we've got supported apps on our device. Here I don't have any applications on our phone that are suitable for that. But how to summarize our notifications? As you can see here, we've got our notifications bar, and there should be a button called named Catch Me Up. As far as I remember, it was here. I don't know why, but it was here. Oh, I think it's because there was some application that was maybe suitable for that, but I don't have any application which is compatible. But when it comes to you need to just click this button that should appear, and that should be it actually for you to do. There's no other thing. Goodbye.